Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to your Venmo account step by step. Whether you're setting up Venmo for the first time or just want to use a different card for payments, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, log into your Venmo account on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the hamburger icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu. Next, tap on Settings. From there, scroll down until you see Payment Methods and select it. Now, under the Payment Methods section, tap on Add a Bank or Card, and then choose Card. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your debit card, details that includes your card number, expiration date, security code, and your name exactly as it appears on the card. Once you've filled in all the information, Venmo will verify your card, and you're all set. Your debit card is now linked to your Venmo account and ready to use for sending and receiving payments. And that's it, super simple and quick. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.